Hello everyone, my name is Pawan and I am working as a software tester at Bytep Technology. Welcome back to my manual testing learning series. In day 5 we discuss level of testing and today day 6 we are going to understand another important concept called black box testing and white box testing. So what is a black box testing and white box testing? Testing can perform in different way depend on the whether we know the internal code or not. Based on the testing is mainly divided into the two type. First is a black box testing and second is a white box testing. Now let's understand each one step by step. First is a black box testing. Black box testing focus on the functionality whether know the internal code. In these types of testing, the tester does not know the internal code. We only focus on the input and output. Key focus input and output. We don't care how the code is right and which database is used, what logic is implemented. The main questions is the application is working correctly or not. This is a what manual testing mainly do. Now let's move whiteboard testing. Whiteboard testing focus on the internal code and logic. In these types of testing, the tester know the internal code and structure program knowledge is required. That's why usually performing by the developer. Here we test code logic, conditional statement, loops and iterations, code coverage. So basically we verify the system work internally. Now let's understand the real world example. Login page. Black box testing. You enter username and password and check whether login is successfully. You don't check the backend code like this type. Enter the ID and password and login successfully. ATM machine. Black box testing. Insert a card, enter the pin and withdraw the money. You only verify the functionality. If condition. White box testing. If age more than 18, allow, else show the error. Here the developer tests both logic path internally. Now quick understand the difference between the black box testing and white box testing. Black box testing. No coding, no knowledge is required. Focus on the functionality based on the requirement and done by the QA team and tester. White box testing. Coding knowledge is required. Focus on the internal logic based on the system design and done by the developer. Now let quick summarize. Black box testing. Test the functionality, input and output. White box testing. Test internal logic and code. Both are implemented usually different stages and development. As a manual tester, you mainly focus on the black box testing and white box testing is mostly handled by the developer. So this is a simple explanation of the black box testing and white box testing. I hope this video is help you to understand the concept of black box testing and white box testing. Thank you.